My name's Jay Owen. I'm Director of the External Research Office at AMD, and welcome to Supercomputing 11 here in Seattle. SC is an important conference for the high-performance computing community for a couple of reasons. One, I think when you get 12,000 people in one place with such intense interest on one topic, it's just got to be a good thing. And the second thing I've noticed is over the years that this conference has been very good from an organization standpoint on dealing with issues that are relevant to high-performance computing. And so the result is the conference has grown really because the high-performance computing community and market has grown, because it continues to maintain material and topics that are relevant to that audience. Supercomputers are incredibly important for research for a number of reasons. Think about the complexity of a problem like trying to model molecular docking, or something as large as modeling a storm surge. That has not only economic implications, it has social implications, obviously has science implications. You can't do that on a laptop, so supercomputing is extremely important for that reason. AMD's announcement of the AMD Opteron 6200 series is important to Cray. First, Cray is an impressive partner and customer for us in this market. The name is synonymous with supercomputing. Our product is important in that market because we provide an upgrade path for their customers, so it provides a way for them to continue to do higher performance computing while staying in the same environmental envelope that they have today, whether it's power or cooling or things like that. The product itself is interesting and important because we were the first company to bring 16 cores onto a single processor. The enhancements that we've done around power, either allowing us to power idle when the product does not need to be powered up for an application, or get performance boost when those are available, are important for Cray. The AMD Opteron 6200 is the first x86 16-core processor in the market. It's a drop-in for the products that Cray has been shipping today, so it allows them as our customer and also their customers to get the latest and best technology in place for the research that they're doing. The power capabilities we have both in terms of power idling and allowing us to do boost when the application requires it without violating the power and environmental constraints are incredibly important in this market because they're solving big problems and they're doing things where they really need to get the most out of the processor that's absolutely possible.
Hi, I'm Peg Williams from Cray. I'm the Senior Vice President of HPC Systems. So we have a number of customers doing a variety of things with our systems. A couple of the big petascale applications, we've got folks doing global climate modeling, kind of looking at how things change, how the atmosphere changes over time, what that means to the long-term effects on our weather. To then, some very realistic things where customers are tracking weather itself, taking a look at hurricanes, the tracks of hurricanes, so that we're able to get folks out of the way of danger before the bad thing happens. We've got some others that are looking at the shape of the hulls on tractor trailers to understand, if it had a different shape, could they be more energy efficient? How can you change that over time? We've got two really big high-profile deals that we're really excited about right now. One is the upgrade of the Oak Ridge Jaguar machine to what will become Titan. We're upgrading the entire machine from our C-Star interconnect to our Gemini interconnect, and then the blades on that system will go to being sort of half the nodes that will have one AMD processor on them and one NVIDIA GPU. So the second system, which we just announced this week that we're really excited about, is the Blue Water system at the University of Illinois NCSA. It'll be a $188 million system. All AMD processors, little component of GPUs as well, that we'll start delivering as we roll into next year. So two big high-profile accounts that we're really excited about. Thanks for joining us here at the Cray booth at SC11. Looking forward to seeing you next year. We'll have more exciting things to talk about as well.